Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how to write your name like a stylish. Your name will be stylish. Like I'm going to show you a photo like this guys. And in this video I'm going to show you how to write this name. First you need to download the fancy text app. Then here's the list of the text you want to copy. And first do the text. Then it is simple to write it. So if you like the name, then click on three dot option, then copy and paste. And there is another feature that you can write your name. As example, I'm going to write my YouTube channel name via technical point. Now you can choose any of your name. If you like any name, then choose it. It's like I'm going to choose a name. Just for a minute. Here are the list of the text statistics, and you can edit in Freefire, Facebook, and PUBG also. So, and there is also another feature that you can also make your own text like this. It is simple, guys. Like here, I'm going to show you. This is for today guys, and hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please like, share, subscribe and comment, and see you next time.